We've been showing you the greatness of Shohei Ohtani all season long. Tonight, it just wasn't his night. Going into the bottom of the first, up 2-0 against the Yankees, he had a really bad night. Now, every pitcher has a bad night, well, except Jacob deGrom. He is fantastic. But it just wasn't Shohei's night. He only got 2 outs on only 2 hits. He walked 4, ended up giving up 7 runs. Now, but here's the problem I have. When he was taken out, as you watched the Yankees score run after run after run. Now, when he was taken out and the reliever came in, it was 4-2. The reliever gave up a base hit, which led to 3 more runs to make it 7-2. But Joe Maddon didn't put Shohei in the outfield, and I know he has limited experience out there, but you're taking his bat away, plus you didn't declare a designated hitter, so now the pitchers have to bat or be pinch hit for, so now you're going to be using up your bullpen. Again, it was only 4-2 when he came out. I personally would have found a place for Shohei to play in the field. Here comes Joe Maddon to take him out. The next pitch, boom, down the line, base is empty. It's 7-2. Now, the Angels' bullpen did a great job. They only gave up 1 run, and the game's still going on. It's actually the top of the ninth, 8-4. But you've lost Shohei's bat, and the pitchers are batting that normally don't ever bat. The object is to win the game. So I would have left Shohei in there. At least that way you have your best bat in the game. But now you have your best bat sitting on the bench, and the pitchers are batting. I don't know, let me know what you think in the comment section. Of course, Chapman and the rest of the Yankees bullpen made my point useless because the Angels scored 7 runs in the top of the ninth to win the game 11-8, but I still stand by what I said. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Again, thank you, Yankees, and your bullpen for making me look like an idiot. But that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Bye, everybody.